today I have my Shop Miss A haul. So if you don't know what Shop Miss A is, it's a online website that sells cheap makeup. You can find anything from $1, and then they have bundles for like 5, 10, 20. They also have bigger palettes and bigger items for a little bit more. They also sell like some different types of things like accessories, jewelry, makeup, etc, etc. I'll link them down below. I'm not being paid or sponsored to make this video. I just love Shop Miss A. This is like probably my 4th haul from them. I just love them so much, and I got some really awesome goodies. The only thing about Shop Miss A though is that whenever things are new, it's like a first come first serve basis, and some of the stuff that I really wanted has been out of stock for a while, unfortunately. So if you ever go to their website and you see where it says new, make sure you grab the stuff you want because it will sell out super fast. So, the first thing I got was this Starry Precious Mineral Blush. As you guys can see, it has like little flecks of pink in there with a darker like mauve pink, and that's supposed to give you the glow. I can't wait to try this out. I got the first one. The other ones that I wanted were obviously sold out, but I definitely got one that I really wanted. The next thing I got is this AOA Wonder Baked Eyeshadow, and this one is in the name Poet. I was going to use this as a highlighter because if you guys didn't know, some eyeshadows can be used as a highlight, but it's more of a darker mauve purpley color, so I don't think it'll look good as a highlight, but it's definitely going to be a really good lid eyeshadow color. Next, I got something new from AOA, and it's the Buttercream Eyeliner and Shadow. So I got Optimistic, which is the blue one. I definitely want to go back for the other colors. It's definitely a vibrant blue. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a vibrant blue color in there. It's definitely really small compared to what I thought it was going to be, but it was only $1, so I'm definitely going to try it out. Then I picked up 2 of these nail arts. The reason why I picked up 2 of them is because I'm going to use them more for like on my face. Now if they don't work for my face, then I'll just like use them for my nails. So I got this one that has like clear holographic ones and then different colored ones over here. And I think it's by the Starry. This one's by the Superstar brand. And then the other one under here is by AJ brand. So definitely going to try these out for my face and stuff like that. Then I got a concealer. This is the AOA concealer. It is in medium to full coverage, good for all skin types, and it's light ivory. So I got this because I didn't have any more concealer, and I love the AOA brand from Shop Miss A. It's literally the brand I picked more of. So this is a charity edition, so I guess they donate some money. It was $1.55. Like I said, it ranges from $1 all the way up to $20 in bundles, so it just depends on what you get. The next thing I got is this LA Colors nail glue, and this is why I haven't done my nails in a while, is because I didn't have any more nail glue. And so I got this one. I actually like this one. I get this one a lot from like the Family Dollar or Dollar Tree whenever they have it. Definitely a good nail glue, but I would prefer something a little bit more expensive, but I'm dealing with what I could afford. So the next thing is by Malibu Glitz. This is a smooth definition pressed powder. I'm using this more as a bronzer, and it's a medium. I don't have a lot of bronzers, and look at that design, guys. It's super cute. Definitely looks nice for the summer. It's giving me like ocean vibes, so I can't wait to use that. Then over here I got a bunch of different nail polishes. So Hey guys, so sorry about that, technical difficulties. My phone ran out of storage, but let's start off with where we left off. So I got 6 different AOA nail polishes. The first one is called Stardust. It's just this really beautiful like holographic nail polish. I haven't had a holographic nail polish in a long time. The next one I got is called Sweet Treat, and it's definitely a really pretty spring and summer blue. It's like almost close to being a Tiffany blue, but not all the way. This next one is called Petal, and it just reminds me of lavender. It's just a really pretty purple color, and sorry about the lighting, guys. Next up is this beautiful light baby pink called Magic. I love the baby pink colors. And then I got 2 that are like sparkly glittery. So this one is called Ice Queen, and it's just got like a bunch of different like stars holographic circles, and it's like an undertone with a pink. And then this one right here is called Fairy Dust, and it also has the stars and those holographic circles and just like a silvery undertone, which I love. Then I got 3 of these eyeliners from AOA. They're the Artistia ones, and I got 3 different colors. I got blue, purple, and green. I'm not picking them up because obviously you can see them right there. Then I got this Flower Child palette by AOA. I mostly got it for the purple colors, but also that neutral eyeshadow would look really good on my eyelid. Then I got this Velvet highlighter in Circus. It's just a really pretty color, and it feels amazing, but I feel like the pigmentation's not that good. I've already swatched it, but you guys will hear about it in my post. Last but not least, I got 2 small beauty blenders. Mika actually wants to punch these because they're so adorable. I got them mostly for concealers because they're super small, so they'll fit right under the eye like perfectly, and around the nose crease and everything. And also if you use bronzer or liquid highlight or anything, these would be really good because of how small they are. So this is everything I got from Shop Miss A. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of our links and descriptions are in the box below. Just click here and you'll get all of the information. And until next time, guys, make sure to comment, like, rate, and subscribe. We love you guys so much, and bye for now.